Hello and welcome back to Gravity Flying India. You are with Shoaib Malik and this is my plane Fighter F1. Today I'll show you how to make this plane step by step and what are the dimensions for this plane. You can see this plane, the fighter design and the delta wing. To make this plane I have used only two types of material. The first is this corrugated sheet and the second is the Dapron sheet. So in a further video I'll show you what are the electronics I have used and how the cutting and how the measurement of this plane. So first of all, the diagram of this plane. This is the diagram for this plane Fighter F1. I have named this GFI-F1, the Gravity Flying India Fighter F1 plane. You can pause here and zoom in for the measurement. You can see the span is of 28 inches and length is also of 28 inches. The swap is of 12 inches. The tip chord is of 4 inches and the root chord is 12 plus 4, 16 inches of the root chord. And the cut the 4 inch away from the fuselage, the servo 1 and servo 2. Okay. And this is the fuselage design. This is the intake duct, the rudder of the 6 inches of length and 2 inches of rudder, and height is also of 6 inches. Okay, so once again like you can pause here and take the diagram. Okay, so this was all about the measurement, and let me show you that how the parts of this plane is. First of all, what I did is I took the corrugated sheet and draw the same diagram on this sheet. Then I cut the same corrugated sheet in the shape of this delta wing plane with the fuselage. So you can see from a nose section bottom to full wing, it's only one part of the corrugated sheet. And similarly, I also draw the same diagram on this Dapron sheet and I cut the same Dapron sheet also. So I have the two different material with the same cutting. One is corrugated sheet and the second is the Dapron sheet. So I pasted both the sheet together like this with the help of Fevicol, like the same cutting of corrugated sheet and the same cutting of Dapron sheet. I twisted this and dried it out. Now let me go inside the plane. The vertical stabilizer is a portable, like you can remove it from here. Let's put it aside. See, it's easily removable and fitting. This is the fuselage cover. Okay, so let me take you inside the plane. This is the fuselage. The section 1, section 2 for the autopilot and the receiver, and section 3 for the motor mounting and the ESC, cable routing. You can also see I have designed the special mounting for the motor. It is of a wooden 3 mm wood for the laser cut. You can also order this mounting from me, and the motor I have used is C2836 and 880 kV motor of Avionics. I have ordered this motor from the RC Bazaar. And the receiver I have used is a 10 channel OS 10 of the same avionic ordered from RC Bazaar. and the servo I have used is of 9-gram servo, the same avionic from RC Bazaar. So let me show you, like, the fuselage I have designed the portable because for the mobility I used to, like, I can't go with the fixed vertical stabilizer anywhere. So what I did is, this is the fuselage cover. You can see this gap is for the fitment of the vertical stabilizer. The vertical stabilizer gets inside from the top and stucks into the bottom of this Depron sheet. Okay, so let me fix it here. Okay, and this is a vertical stabilizer. This will nicely go inside this duct. So it's pretty firm, you can check it. The only thing I have to do in this plane is I have to I have to paste the sellotape on this to fix this from top to fuselage vertical stand and from here to here, so it will get firmed. And this is the openable window here. The servo cable of this rotor goes through top of the fuselage cover inside, then open it and push it inside and pull it into the second section. So you can see, like, okay, now let me fix it to the receiver. This is the receiver, and I fixed it here, and then okay. Then, as I told you, I have to paste the sellotape to fix the fuselage top cover here. Let me show you how. This is the sellotape here. They're done from the one side and the same as the other side. So this is quite firm and it will not go out during flying. Let me show you, and this is the openable window. Okay. So this is the closed and the final cover for the fuselage. You can see this is the front section and this is the rear section. Let me show you how it is it's fixing inside the fuselage. It will go in the nose section like this, and this is the lock. It goes inside like this. Okay, so let me fix it properly inside, then slightly bend like this and fixed. So this lock will also fix this openable window also. Now let me take towards the bottom of the main wing. This is the bottom of the main wing. How it is designed, like the two vertical wall, you can say this is the intake duct 1 and 2. You can see from the top, from the front section. Okay, the inside is the 30 ampere ESC. I put the ESC in the duct to get the air cooled, and it's also having a openable window here like this. If you want to do any kind of repairing in ESC or cable routing, here you can do from this. This is the servo, and the cable of the servo routes from here inside the bottom of the fuselage, then inside, and it's go through hole to the top of the main wing, same as here, coming from this and going through this hole to the, let me show you, it's coming out from here. It is coming through this hole. Just a moment. Okay, it is coming up through this hole and passing through these two different holes and connecting to the receiver here. Okay, so this was all about this plane, the cutting, fitting, and all the electronics of this plane. So let me have the ground check, or like let me start this plane. Now you can see I have plugged in the battery. Still it's remaining that I have to fix the battery, and the balancing of this plane is still remaining, just because of the under lockdown, as the COVID-19 is going on. So we are under lockdown and I can't go and check the glide test and the flying. So I'll do this part after the lockdown open. Okay, and the transmitter. Okay, now so this is ready with electronics plugged in. So let me check. Let me show you from the back. The elevator up, right roll, and the left roll. Right turn with the rudder, left turn with the rudder, and let me slightly push back. So thanks for watching Gravity Flying India. Keep watching us, and please keep subscribing us a channel, and please regularly visit us. Thank you. Thanks for watching Gravity Flying India once again. Bye bye. Take care.